Yesterday we are live at 7:30. If you have missed it, what's the content, whatever you had discussed. There was a good discussion also. So people let others join. We'll have some one or two announcements to made, and today I will see if possible I will join, but leave it. It's a weekend, so keep a note that 7:30 in the evening hours Indian Standard Time we are coming online, and you can join us that time. But I am not giving you that Saturday Sunday will be there, and Monday definitely I'll be there from 7:30 evening. And this time of the day I come online to give you some updates, whatever we have done already, and what you next 1 or 2 days what we are going to do. Note that we are focusing some data transport from one type to other type to one, like that we are continuing. So in that series, we are adding one more. We are focusing on XML. So that is the section we are going to add now. So shortly you will get that one, particularly about XML. So it is extensible markup language. You must be knowing about it. So this is also quite useful for sending the data in and out and receiving the data also. So Python has got a good library for to handle it. And that part, since we are also covered the CSV data, Excel data and all, so transferring one format to other through this either using data frame or without even using a pandas data frame, we can do that. So XML is a quite useful in data transporting. So here the advantage is it's like HTML, but you can use your own tags. So HTML, you have your predefined tags like bold or title, like that paragraph title. So there are predefined tags. In XML you can have your own tags. So it's a format for usually for data transportation, or you can also say data exchange. So you can certain, and you can access those data. So Python has built-in libraries for that. So elementary is one of that. So this library will be using to access various data on different things, and we can also transport the data from one source to other. That way we'll see how the data transformation takes place. So that you can see that XML shortly, probably next week, Monday or Tuesday, you will get all the details of our, we will be uploading the blog post on that. So you can see that what is the, how, what is XML, how it can be used, and we will also be transporting data from one format to other. So CSV, Excel, both will be using to transport from this format then to XML format. So you can also take data from XML and transport it to other format. So once this transport is take place, you can also insert to SQLite, MySQL, and any other database format, and including even another format is JSON. JSON also you can easily transport. So that's what with all this from one format to other to one, will be developing. You must be knowing that we are developing a series on that. So in that, this XML part we will be including now. So other things we have extensively covered, our CSV, Excel to MySQL, Excel to SQLite, all this we have already covered. So now you will be including in that part about XML, and also we'll give you a basic explanation of what is XML, how it can be used, what are the common libraries, what are the issues with XML, security issues and all, because it's a text based. So certain code care you have to take it. So that part also will be discussing. This is about XML. And yesterday we had uploaded one demo also. You must have seen the demo for the okay, hi, thanks for coming. Please, I'm fine, continuing. Please join at 7:30 in the evening in the weekdays. I'm not sure whether today evening I'll able to come or not. This is mostly to give you the updates and all. There is no structured learning right now, but you can ask me questions on all these topics and all. Yesterday's I'll request you yesterday's whatever you had discussed, just go through that, and uh, fine. Then continue with the learning. Hopefully your all institutes, organization or colleges must be open now. By this time you can continue further in our basics of Python and all. We are also starting some planning to start some basic tutorials on Python, Pandas, data analytics, Kinter, and all. So hopefully I'll announce those timings and dates so you can join for that. So please like this session also. I'll request you those who have joined or joined us for short duration, please like this and subscribe to our channel also. And we will be continuing such learning technical discussions on Python, PHP, MySQL, SQLite, all this stuff we are regularly discussing, and you can join us anytime. So, hi Pratik. So, you can join us anytime, and evening 7:30 we are coming regularly. I'm not sure whether today how far it will be possible, but keep a time, just check it. It is there anyway. Recordings will be always there for you to check it. And I was just saying, explaining about XML, what is the one data format we are introducing to our data import export sequence, what we are continuing. And I will be today or tomorrow will be adding one tutorial, one video on how to import a CSV file by using a Kinter file browser, then convert it into a XML file. Now that also another part of it will be directly taking a Excel file and convert it from a CSV to XML and from Excel to XML. So MS Excel to XML. So you can, from any format you can use it. And data exchange formats are quite useful when you have to transport data from one area to other, one platform to, because these are platform independent. So you can transport it from anywhere to another. These are universally accepted data formats which other every application can read that also. Say you are written something, a data your data is there, you can generate a XML file in Python, and that XML file you can export it, and someone using PHP also can read that one and take out the data. Similarly, XML generate. XML is a common language between data exchange. Even JSON and all are, these are mostly the common language between different platforms or different applications which can use. So that is why we are more focusing on this for data transportation from one area to the other. And yesterday, I hope you must have seen the our tutorial on the payroll management, and there was one more about working on the, if you are working any AI tool, you must keep a backup of your prompts, what you have used, because sometimes it goes blank and forgets about the prompt. That's why just a short video I have added it yesterday. You can just check it, that one. So be careful. Store your prompt separately in a text file for a common accessible point. That's better way to handling it. And payroll management, hopefully there are already good number of good in the sense about relative to us, only good people have visited this payroll management, the demo part. And please, I'll request you, those who have not seen that payroll management demo, you just watch that one. Yesterday only we had added that one. Watch that. Think how the real-time data changes are reflected or calculated. You can extend it. That's a modular one. You can extend it easily by adding new features, and so many new feature addition requests have come. I can understand that, but matching to every requirement will take some time. हाँ, हिंदी में मैं बोल सकता हूँ, ठीक है। एक दो सेशन हम लोग हिंदी में रखेंगे। मेरा हिंदी इतना अच्छा नहीं है, पढ़ने का तो बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट है। ठीक है, हिंदी में कुछ सेशन, कुछ लाइव सेशंस हम हिंदी में रखेंगे, तो आप उसको फॉलो कर सकते हैं। यही है फ्रेंड्स आज के लिए। और कुछ क्वेश्चन है, आपका पास कुछ सवाल है तो आप पूछ सकते हैं। यू कैन आस्क मी क्वेश्चंस हियर, or subsequently to below my all the tutorials you can ask questions. Yesterday some modification requests were there from I think Pratik has asked, so I just explained whether I'll see how far I can able to integrate those things. और ये हम लोग मैं थोड़ा हिंदी में बोल देता हूँ। आई विल जस्ट स्पीक फ्यू वर्ड्स इन हिंदी ऑल्सो। थोड़ा डेटा ट्रांसफर एक सोर्स से दूसरे सोर्स को, एक फॉर्मेट से दूसरे को हम लोग थोड़ा सीख रहे हैं। उसमें से हम XML ऐड कर रहा हूँ। XML इज ऑल्सो ए डेटा फॉर्मेट विच इज़ यूनिवर्सली एक्सेप्टेड। आप PHP में बना के उसको पाइथन में या सी लैंग्वेज, कोई दूसरा लैंग्वेज में भी आप पढ़ सकते हैं, डेटा एक्सट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं। सो इट्स ए डेटा ट्रांसपोर्टेशन फॉर्मेट है XML, सो एक्सटेंसिबल मार्कअप लैंग्वेज। तो इसमें क्या होता है, HTML जैसा आपको टैग्स आप खुद बना सकते हैं। सो यही मेन एडवांटेज रहता है। आप अगर कुछ डेटा एक सोर्स से है बना है, कुछ दूसरा बोलेगा नहीं मेरे को PHP नहीं आता है या पाइथन नहीं आता है, मेरे को ये सी लैंग्वेज में भेजो। ये जो डेटा एक्सचेंज फॉर्मेट का कोई स्पेसिफिक लैंग्वेज, बिकॉज इट्स ए फॉर्मेट ओनली, इट्स ए जो अपना एप्लीकेशन में, सबका एप्लीकेशन में एक लाइब्रेरी रहता है जो XML आइदर लिख सकता है या पढ़ सकता है XML डेटा को, तो आप उसी को यूज कर सकते हैं। और कुछ ये सब ट्यूटोरियल्स मैं अपलोड कर रहा हूँ, आप देख के मेरे को बताइए क्या कैसा अच्छा है। किंटर में माई सिक्वल, सिक्वलाइट, ऑल ये सारे एरिया में हम कैसे पाइथन को इंटीग्रेट कर सकते हैं। एंड यूजर इंटरफेस को, यूजर इंटरफेस के लिए हम लोग किंटर यूज़ कर रहे हैं। याद रखिए किंटर इटसेल्फ पाइथन से इंटरेक्ट नहीं करता है, जो इंटरेक्ट करता है वो बैकएंड में पाइथन ही इंटरेक्ट करता है। वेरियस ड्राइवर्स और integrators like SQL Chemi, SQLite 3, like that many drivers we use it. So यही सब बैकएंड में कनेक्ट करता है। सो किंटर एक यूजर इंटरफेस है जहाँ पे यूजर प्रोग्राम को डायरेक्ट बात कर सकता है। मान लीजिए एक आप खुद एक CSV फाइल को XML में चेंज करना चाहते हैं, आप एक फाइल ब्राउजर दे सकते हैं, तो लोग क्या ब्राउज करके एक्सप्लोरर टाइप में वो पर्टिकुलर फाइल को सिलेक्ट करते हैं। आप बोलेंगे मेरे को तो आता है, कहाँ पर चेंज करना है, मैं डायरेक्टली मेरा पाथ को वहाँ टाइप कर दूंगा। यही है आपका एक किंटर और एक सिंपल कोडिंग के बीच में एक यूजर इंटरफेस देने से क्या है, कोई भी आपको यूज कर सकता है। ये क्या इस केसेस में क्या है, स्पेसिफिकली सिर्फ आप ही यूज करेंगे। दैट इज वाई किंटर एज ए यूजर इंटरफेस इज क्वाइट पॉपुलर। मेनी अदर यूजर इंटरफेसेस आर देयर। इंटरफेस हम लोग देते हैं, जिसको प्रोग्रामिंग नहीं आता है, कोडिंग नहीं आता है बैकएंड में, वो कैसे यूज करेगा। इट्स ए यूजर इंटरफेस। से एक ऑपरेटर है फ्रंट एंड में डेस्क में बैठा है, वो कुछ कम्युनिकेट कर रहा है, कुछ फीडबैक लिख रहा है, वो तो डायरेक्टली जाके प्रोग्राम का अंदर नहीं लिखेगा ना, आज मैं ये बातचीत किया और ये कांटेक्ट किया, ये कस्टमर से ये इशू आया। तो इसीलिए द इंटरफेस बना जाता है, जो अल्टीमेटली वही चीज़ बैकएंड में जाता है। ठीक है फ्रेंड्स, आज का यही ख़त्म करते हैं। देखते हैं, मैं आज शायद सैटरडे है, छुट्टी लेते हैं। कल कल अगर मेरे को, अगर कल कुछ घूमने का ज़्यादा प्लान नहीं है, रिलैक्स करने का है, तो मैं थोड़ा देर के लिए आऊँगा ऑनलाइन में, आप लोगों से थोड़ा डिस्कस करूँगा। कुछ चीज़ है तो आप मुझे क्वेश्चंस, एनी टाइम आप क्वेश्चन पूछ लीजिए, मैं वो क्वेश्चंस का आंसर ये लाइव सेशंस में देते रहूँगा, तो आपके लिए भी क्लैरिटी रहेगा क्या हमें कौन सा एरियाज़ में जाना है। फ्रेंड्स, कल कल का डिस्कशन को देख लीजिए, बहुत यूज़फुल रहेगा आपके लिए। जब आप छोटा छोटा एप्लीकेशंस डेवलप कर रहे हैं तो ये क्वाइट यूज़फुल इट विल बी। ठीक है फ्रेंड्स, थोड़ा लाइक्स बढ़ाइए और चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब करिए। आपका फ्रेंड्स लोगों को भी बोलिए ज्वाइन करने के लिए, तो थोड़ा इंटरेस्ट रहेगा सबको, मेरे को भी इंटरेस्ट रहेगा। आप लोग ज़्यादा अगर लाइक करेंगे, ज्वाइन करेंगे एंड सब्सक्राइब करेंगे तो please, my request is please increase the number of likes, subscribe to our channel and tell your friends also to join, so we can have a good fruitful discussion which will help you and which will help all of us also to further improve. And it is morely note that we are discussing about Python, MySQL, SQLite, database management, and we are also discussing about PHP, web development, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, all this stuff we are discussing, and based on that, the tutorials you can see also, follow us and like us. That's what is my request. If you have any questions and all, you can ask me here or ask me subsequently also. Please let me know how you feel or any feedback you want to give me about the programs and all. The tutorials, are you able to follow, or I am too fast or too slow, or I am repeating the very common things, basic things, or I should focus more on the advanced topics. You can give me those feedbacks. Okay friends, if Nothing more is there. We can close the session. We have continued up to 15 minutes today. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and please do join us regularly at this time and in the evening 7:30 also. Thank you friends. We'll close the session now. Thank you for watching.